Hi everyone, I'm setting up my January journal and here is my cover page. I decided to go with a mountain theme just because I was in the mountains after Christmas, so it inspired me. And I think that's where a lot of inspiration comes from when we're doing anything artistic. It's, you know, what we encounter in our everyday lives. So I decided to kind of do a Frozen, not a Frozen, that's a Disney thing, but keeping in mind that whole wintry theme. I set up this month at a glance, and I added the icicles in the January spot there. At first I used pencil. I don't know why I did that, to be honest. And I wrote January with a medium brush pen. So I erased the pencil, and then I went in with my, we did the icicles with the multicolor bullet tip pen in, I think it's called Breeze. And then I added these lines and these little circles around to bring in more color. I also highlighted with my Dream Pen the days of the week. Then I decided to do this kind of fun mood tracker with an igloo. So I live in Canada, and yeah, we don't have igloos, but I thought it would match the theme quite well. So I did these faces. Now I have to tell you something, I'm not into coloring at all. So I will be using my fine liners and bullet tip pens to kind of draw triangles. Same thing with my habit tracker. I'm going to only track two habits. That is my water consumption and my fitness workouts. I just have to focus on a couple of things, I think, at a time. Otherwise, I just feel too overwhelmed. So that's why I did the workout page and only the water page together. For my week at a glance, or what do you call these? For my weeklies, I am simply going to start with January 1st, add these icicles at the top of each vertical column, and then I will add the numbers and days of the week. I'm just going to keep it simple like this. I find that if I get into anything too elaborate when I don't have time for it, I will end up not really working. It won't work for me. I went back to the beginning. I have an extra page there beside the cover. So I decided to put in or write out with my brush pens the quote, "Life is a journey, not a destination." I love this quote, and I've used it before, but I don't care. I really like it, so I'm going to use it. Then I thought, what's that empty space? I didn't plan it out too well at the bottom. So honestly, the way I do things is I see something and I adjust it and modify it. And so I thought I'd bring in those trees on that side and do the road because of the journey and destination idea. I wanted to actually bring in some more definition into the subtitles, mood tracker and habits, add some more color with the Dream pens. These are my brush pens, and this color is Stream. It's from the Meadow set, and make those words pop. Then I went through and looked at it and thought where I needed color and added a little bit more. And so here's my flip through. The cover page and my inspiring quote, my month at a glance, and let me tell you, when I started coloring those icicles, I regretted it. But I like the color theme with the cool blues and greens, and I think it's going to work well. So I'm not showing you the rest of the days because it's just too repetitive. Thanks for watching, and see you next month.